Hey folks, hi. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching this video. Well, you know what? Let's get at it. I am about to do a review of the K668 Fifine USB plug and play microphone. And I would like to thank, first of all, I'd like to thank Fifine Technology for sending this box out. Oh my goodness, it's hard for me to even hold it up. It's got some weight to it. Oh my goodness. I am so curious about what's inside of here. You know what? Let's get at it, folks. Well, folks, here's the unboxing. Let's see what's inside of this little box here. I mean, you know. Just like to see what is inside of here. Open it up. Oh, okay. It's taped up and everything. So, alright, let's do this. Oh man, I hope my wife don't get mad. I'm using her fingernail file to open this box. Sorry, wifey. Alright, open these up. Alright. Wow. Well, that's interesting. Okay. So, got the company website here and stuff. You know. Okay. Oh, they even got a Facebook page. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Alright. So, of course, this is like the manual right here. And that's the microphone. The manual and everything. That's cool. Oh, install instructions too. Okay, we're definitely going to follow those. Alright. So, what else? Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's see in here. Ooh, this is looking good. Oh, this is looking really good. Alright. We got the stand right here. So, that's cool. Love that. Alright. This is like for the microphone itself. To protect the microphone when it's windy outside, you put this on the microphone so you won't get all that wind noise. So that's what this is for. Okay. And of course, the mic itself. Alright. Oh my. Oh my goodness, this thing is heavy. Oh my goodness. It's got a real nice weight to it. Oh my goodness, look at this thing. Oh. I wish I had field vision, because this thing is heavy. It's got some weight to it. Look at that. It's all solid. It's not plastic. This is not plastic. This is all metal right here. Nothing cheap about it at all. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm definitely gonna have fun with this. And of course, got your USB plug right here. Plug it up to, you know, your laptop or your PC, or any other device that accepts, you know, USB microphones. So that's cool. Oh, we will definitely like to try this out. I'm noticing something else too, folks. What they mean by plug and play, they weren't kidding. There is no CD in here. So that literally means that you can just plug this boy into your computer and it will work right away. Well, let's try that out. You know what? I was sitting here thinking, you know what, since we got it out the box, we might as well go and put it together. So let's do this. Alright. It's the stand we pulled out earlier. And even the stand has some weight. Oh my goodness. This stand, I mean, it's got some weight on this thing. Okay. Let's take this off of here. I know I'm sounding kind of, you know, excited about this microphone. Ooh, man. Okay. Okay, that's the stand. Alright. Oh, by the way, I'd like to apologize for the sniffling and everything. I got a little bit of the sniffles today, so don't mind that too much. I'm taking some hauls for it, so don't worry, folks. So, oh, let me do it this way. First, I'm gonna screw this onto this thing here, because it's got threads on here and it's got threads on here. So both got threads. So you basically screw it in like so. Ooh, man, I like that. Cool. Alright, extend the legs out. This is your microphone any way you want. There you go. That's the microphone, folks. And you can angle it any way you want. See? If you're talking to somebody, angle it that way, they can hear it. I'm pretty sure they can. Well, you know what? We're going to test out that feature very shortly. We're going to check out the sound quality and everything. But that's how you put it together. I like this. I really like this. This is cool. Let's try out how to install this thing next.
Hello folks. Okay, this is the part of the video where I'm basically going to show you how to install this microphone onto your computer. The particular computer I'm installing this microphone on is a Windows computer, of course, and as you can see on the screen, that's all my Windows stuff. So, according to the instructions, you basically start by, for a Windows computer, you start by plugging this into the computer, into the USB port. So that's what we're going to do now. Now, it also mentioned something too. It said a pop-up window will not show up on the screen, so let's see what's going on here. I'm plugging it in now. I'm looking at the computer screen right now, see if anything shows up. Now the instructions that came with the book, came with the microphone, did mention the fact that you may not see anything on the screen at all telling you that the driver's been installed or whatever. So the next thing we're going to do is, oh, okay. Okay, let's do that. Let's check and see if our microphone is actually active, up and running. So, recording devices. Oh, okay. We got two microphones here. The one right here that you're hearing me through now, and this one right here that's plugged up. Interesting. See that? Okay. Apparently the computer selected as the default device. Alright. So it's there, see? It's installed. USB, PNB. Make sure that's selected on your computer, of course. That's this microphone right here, which you see there with the green check mark. USB, PNP, audio device. Okay, cool. Alright, let's get off of here. Now, to really test it out and try it out, what I'm going to do is go to my screen recording program that I got running right now to record all this, and go in there. I'm going to go to my microphone settings. Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to change the settings for now. Because as you can see on the screen, as soon as I change settings, it's going to stop this recording. So remember this recording. Remember how you hear everything. So the next time you see, we're going to be using this microphone. Alright, here we go.
Alright. Now, we're now using this microphone for our sound input. So, let's take a look here. I actually want to hear it myself. I don't have the audio monitoring on my microphone right now on. So what I want to do is go to Audacity and see if it's actually working. Audacity, by the way, is a sound editing program you can use to edit sounds and stuff. So I'm going to stretch this out. I'm going to select the microphone that we're using now. That's the microphone we're using now. I'm going to select that. And now I'm going to give it a record. Let's see if it records something. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Alright, I'm gonna get this to play back. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Oh man, that sounds nice. I'm gonna get this to play back. Now that's pretty decent sound there. That's pretty decent sound. Alright. Now I'm going to try this again. This time holding the microphone like this. Let's erase that for a moment. Get rid of that. Let's try this again. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Alright. I got volume up and everything. Okay, let's do this. Let's play it. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Wow. That's something. That's something. I mean, honestly, wow. I mean, the sound quality is really good. I mean, let me play that again. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. And as you notice, on the sound graph itself right here, you don't see no noise. I mean, let's focus in on that for a moment. No noise. See that? There is no noise here at all. None. Just the voice. You got the voice right here. Nothing but voice. Nothing but sound. That's it. The other microphone that was on this camera that we're looking through had something else going on. You hear not only me, but other stuff. This is cool. Alright. Love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. What can I say? So, this is a pretty good mic, folks. It really is. I would highly recommend getting this. If you're doing one of these podcasts and, interviews, video presentations, and whatever. Oh, by the way, you can also use this for Skype. Video conferencing, whatever, It's that good. I mean, it's pretty good. Love it. Hello, folks. I almost forgot to mention this one thing before I leave off on this thing. You can also adjust the sound level on this mic too. Now to do that, you basically want to go into your mixer. Actually, you got to right click on the speaker there on your Windows computer. It might be a little different whatever computer you're doing, but on Windows you right click on the speaker and you hit recording devices. Alright, there's our devices right there. So what I'm going to do is right click on this microphone, which is this right here. Right click on that, properties, go to levels, and basically when I recorded the footage earlier, that's the level it was at. That's why it sounded kind of low. So now I'm going to kind of boost it up a little bit more. You probably should be able to hear me pretty clearly now. So I just boosted it up to 92 now. And you're probably hearing me really clear now. Really clear. As a matter of fact, let's go to Audacity. Let's check out Audacity. I'm just having fun with this microphone. I gotta tell you, I'm having real good fun with this microphone at all. I mean, I just like it. All right. Make sure I selected the right microphone. Of course, that's the one. USB PNP. I know I keep going over and over, but here we go. I'm going to record. Hello. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hello, hello, hello. Wow. Well, folks, this concludes the review of the K668 Fifine USB microphone. I mean, you saw the review, so let's try it out. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and leave an Amazon link to this microphone so you can get your own, and you'll thank me for it later. Trust me. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel. You know, I like many likes on this video too, so get as many likes on it as possible. Share it with your friends. You know, if they need mics and everything, you know, spread it around. So, thank you for watching and have a great day.